you're welcome, okay? You got 0.5 on because this place is kind of huge and you want to see everything. Look at this open plan. Look at this. Got a beautiful sunroof. And when it's daytime, the sun, I know you don't even have to put the heaters on. And the lighting in this place is chef kiss. We got a dryer, we got the sink, we got, storage space, so it's like everything you need to do in a pantry or anything you need to do here is done here. You know what I'm saying? Beautiful. Now, this is one of my favorite things, right? Because when you have like guests and they come into your house, it's like, yeah, you want to give them a space for sanctuary, but here they got their own fucking shower as well as the toilet, right? We got space as well for whatever they need. You got the heaters for your towels, for whatever it is that you want. It's really self-explanatory. It just looks good. And the lighting is great here. So if you want to do your content, do well. Follow me, yeah? Now, I'm not gonna lie, I won't put it in 0.5 because this space is vast. This is the living area, and as you can tell, you could probably hear my echo. Dami! I hope this place is soundproof because the neighbors we're gonna get another thing. Well, as you can see, the TV's gonna go over here. I kind of envisioned a U-shaped couch just to take up most of the space. Maybe a little like coffee table. I don't know, we'll figure that out. Over in this corner, we already have a bar circle in our whole house. So I want a bar over here and a pool table right here. Because I want when our friends come over, we have like games and we have things set out. I'm sure Indy's gonna have her own little stuff around there too. But that's what I envision from here. That's what's gonna happen. Beautiful. Right here where you're standing, dining table, for the fam, for the friends. Follow the balcony, follow throughout here. We got the lovely island, beautiful sink. We got the industrial microwave and oven. We got a full stack fridge, and that's one thing I love. I'm happy this is not a fridge and a freezer together because you know what? We got a freezer right here. You know what I'm saying? And there's just so much storage space. We got the induction oven. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I don't know if they have that in every post. Usually it's 4. We got 5. Okay. Dishwasher. I ain't got more. I ain't gotta take you through all the storage, but you get it. And this, I feel like Indy's gonna love this cabinet. This roll season is gonna go and shit. Look at me, that opens like this. Oh my god. Guys, this is one thing I feel like is probably one of my favorite things now. It's like, is that not genius? Yeah. Kitchen. We just got more storage space over here, And I got a planner, like I got a person that's gonna come over to our house and just like pack everything in cord and color coordinated and just where they should be.
Who?
I got a person.
Are you joking?
No, I got a person. She's coming to do it. She's coming to do it. Like I got people. I'm gonna organize it because I want when we come into this place, I want it to just be clean from the jump and we just maintain it. Go, 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 go. Check it out. Like this is sexy. I feel like this is probably our favorite, part of the house. Like we've done this thing where we're gonna go halves. She's gonna have this side, I'm gonna have this side. And I feel like it's just the perfect backdrop for content. Your quick get ready with me, your quick day in the life, quick da-da-da-da-da. It's just, forget this outfit though. Don't judge me on this outfit. I literally just came from my old house.
I was about to say.
Don't judge me on this outfit, please. This is not what I usually dress like. And you all know. But look, you got the little touch, to bring the brightness up if you feel like you don't even got enough lighting. Boom. Right? Crazy. Lighting here is insane. And this is funny because this used to be another room, but it's just changed it into a walk-in wardrobe. And I feel like that's the best thing. Over here, I feel like I'm gonna put me and Indy's, pictures up, just so you know whose room it is. Yeah. So here we go. Guest room. Got a beautiful bed. Got a balcony. We have a little friend now. I don't know where this guy is.
That's what I'm saying.
Where did that come from? I'm gonna get that little guy out. So we got a little balcony out here. Check out the balcony. It's dark right now, but end up getting like some chairs out here just for like, it's probably gonna end up being like a whole little girls like private side. I'll probably do it up for Indiyah and her friends. Just like have a table, so the girls can hang out. Got the bed, got the wardrobe space, drawer. Come on. I like this house too. I wouldn't want to leave either, but I'm gonna get them out. So then, over here, when you turn over to this side, we got this an ensuite. So it's an ensuite guest bedroom. Toilet, beautiful sink, storage space, and you need to come and see the shower. Like you need to see the shower. So, sorry, I should have done that. Get tired. Okay. I pray and I hope that by the end of summer, we'll be fully equipped and ready to go,
Okay.
That's me being like very realistic. Obviously, might get it done before him, but,
Where's my workspace?
Your workspace in your own house. Like, in your own house. I feel like you're going to work. You and your little friends are going. You and your little friend need to get out of my house. Why is this so? Look how big it is as well. It's so big. You come on. Thank you for coming, and I'll see you never.